Hi guys! Magbukbang tayo. Riley, what is this? Bagam. Magbukbang tayo ng kohol.
Naimas guys, naimas.
Naimas.
Seeing Gabby's reaction, seeing my brother through her, I really felt the emotion she did
Look,
as
guys.
well. I'm
Oh,
very happy
di ba?
for her.
Look.
So my dad had a
Masarap
sister.
guys.
And yeah,
Wala.
What was her name?
her name's Mary.
Her name's Mary.
How?
Are you okay?
Oh, di ba? Look this. Yummy. Good.
Should I go about my dad?
Naimas.
It's bittersweet. I'm sad because of my dad. You know, he would have been learn about it and to know that he had siblings.
That's
Hurts me because he felt alone.
Yum yum.
You have like some features.
Like if go take in the farm. Show me in the farm. Running, walking.
Eh, maganda yung kinukuha sa farm guys kaysa sa mga tubig yan, yung mga running water. Mas malinis daw to. Yung mismong sa farm kinuha. Next time magbibideo kami ng ano.
We have some photos. Oh, and here is the little child.
Habang kumukuha kami ng kohol, magbibideo.
Di ba ba si Ija?
Hey, get you
Sorry guys, sabi yung bagan. Very good guys.
There's one I want you guys to meet. Would you like to come inside?
Sure.
Thank you. I was processing a
Look
lot.
guys, ito nagimas.
Someone within tells me that there's someone else to meet.
Wow.
And I've celebrated them
Guys.
in my dad's sister's daughter. Gabby, this is my mom.
Ala kayo, hindi na Laila
Your
na
dad
ako.
and sister. Hi, hello. My name is Mary Bales. I thought it was your dad. Her name is Josie.
Dito lang yun. Kagatin ng puwet. Then,
It felt good to know
ayaw ko lang.
I do have
Sip-sipin, yung laman.
that is still
One more.
that literally
Kagatin ng puwet.
direct link to me.
Sip-sipin ang laman. See? Easy. Mas easy yun guys kaysa yung ano, tinutusok-tusok.
Itong farm you.
See? Lumalabas na.
Or you have farm, go take some like this is yummy more.
Sa bukid guys, malinis.
So I'm on this journey for me. Yeah,
Sarap. Nilagyan ko ng medyo ano lang asin. Sa lasang lasa guys.
Sili pa yun, come.
Yeah, little bit of chili. Buti gusto ng anak ko, kala ko nun ayaw niya. Natikman niya guys na gusto niya. Okay. Sabi niya, yum yum.
Ang ganito manggalat
See?
guys.
Mas ano talaga yung
Ito pa naman
sinisip-sip.
yan eh.
Pinagkainan namin, no? Wala lang laman. Napapaus ako.
Mga palyapang ano, umay magmakan.
Idandan ko na.
Hindi daan na kanton. Huwag ka na. Yang pagana.
Kohol, kohol, kohol. Sarap ng kohol. Ayan guys. Malinis to. Binababad to sa tubig ng 3 araw guys. Para malis yung ano yung dumi niya.
Uy, gairon.
Dapat may kasama tong ano eh.
By the way, when she saw you and we walked in the
Actually may iniinom ako guys. Kaso lang
house was uncanny.
ayoko ipakita sa anak ko.
Pero
It's like a mixture
Oh, what?
of emotions.
Ininom namin digo.
That's my
May
thing.
digo na.
And it's just like,
Sarap ditong pulutan.
That was high school.
he's got the features, he's got brown eyes for sure. It's so nice to see you doing it.
Ah! Sarap!
He was amazing, he was funny, he was goofy. He was one of the smartest people.
Madami-dami pa.
He was a survivor. He was the funniest person ever.
Nagagandang ito.
Ang dugyot namin guys. Okay na.
You know, to be his mother. I mean, just a very special day.
Gabriel siya.
I was born in 1967 in April.
You're just a year older.
I'm just
Ano
a year
bibidyo
older.
gusto yan mo?
I'm the only girl. How many is it? Well, he was born in 68, and then we have another brother who was born in 69, so we were boom, boom, boom. Okay. It's like that he has a sister, a brother, there's other family members, and then most importantly, his mom.
What did I order?
The bigger part,
This shell.
my dad's not here to
Di-
join in
Okay.
to meet his family.
That's it. Ayan, magbabay na tayo guys. Magbabay na tayo, Riley.
Bye-bye. Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye.
Push the button.